Let's use GarageBand to create patterns and listen to our drum beats.
In this lesson, we are going to build patterns and listen to a beat using GarageBand. I'm going to begin by opening up GarageBand. When you're in, you may see a view that looks like this with all of your saved projects. If you are in a space that looks like this, simply press the plus sign to get started. If your view looks like this, that's okay. We're actually in the Live Loops view. Today, we're going to click on the Tracks view. From here, we have a lot of options for different things that we can use to make music and record our voice. We're actually going to be looking for the drums. Here it is, the drums. Inside of the drums, we want to look for the beat sequencer. That's what we're going to use to practice building patterns today. So let's click on Beat Sequencer. Here, you're going to notice we have various instruments on the left-hand side, and you're going to notice that we have different rectangles that represent the beat of the music. So they're clustered in groups of 4. With our patterns, remember that we have learned A, B, A, B, A, B, and to create a pattern, we could also think of this like A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and continuing on. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and start to build my pattern, and you're going to hear the beat of this instrument, A, B, C, D, and I'll tap. Here, A, B, C, D. Let me hit the stop button right down here on the bottom. And to continue my pattern, I'm going to make sure that I'm clicking on the last one in this set of 4. So here we go. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Let's listen. Feel free to tap your foot to that beat. Okay, I'm going to stop it. So we're going to continue with creating patterns. And now I have another instrument here. And so with this instrument, I can continue building my pattern. For this one, I'm going to look at this set of 4 beats as my A, this set of 4 beats as my B, this set of 4 beats as my A, and this set of 4 beats as my B. So I'm going to go with a pattern of the 2 in the middle are on for my A, and I'm going to leave this one completely off for my B. And then for my A, I'm going to turn 2 on, and for my B, I'll keep this off. Can you see the pattern? 2 middle on, off, 2 middle on, off. So I'm going to go ahead and press the play button to hear how this sounds. Tap your foot to that beat. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press stop. So now I have the hand clap here. And so I'm going to keep going with this being my A, this set of 4 being my B, this set of 4 being my A, and this set of 4 being my B. For my hand clap, I think this time I'm going to go with every other in my set of 4. So off, on, off, on. And then I'm going to leave this one alone. And then here for this next set of A, off, on, so that this, as my A in the pattern, looks exactly same as my A in this pattern. And my B looks exactly the same as my B in this pattern. Okay, let's go ahead and press play and hear how it sounds. All right, let me go ahead and press the stop button. All right, so now I'm going to add this next instrument here. And I think that for this is my A and this is my B, I'm going to turn all four on for the A, and for the B, I'm going to leave it off. And for the A, I'm going to turn all four on, and for the B, I'm going to leave it off. Let's go ahead and listen to how that sounds. Okay, and hit the stop button. I think it sounds pretty good. Do you want to dance to it? All right, well, some other things that I want you to know while you're building your patterns and listening to the beats, you can click on any instrument. And here in the first line, it gives us an option of changing that instrument. So here it says kit, pieces, kick. So if I click on kick, it gives me some other options for other instruments that I can try out. So here, there's a kick 2. There's a cowbell. Let's try the cowbell and see how that sounds. And then let me press the stop button. Okay, so if I like it, I'll leave it as the cowbell, or I can go ahead and click on the cowbell and then select the kick to go back to the way it was. All right, so you can do that with any of these instruments. The next thing I want you to know about is we have been using the play button to listen, and there's also an on and off button down here. So I'm going to press the on button, and then I'll turn it off so that it stops playing.
Have fun creating and be ready to share your pattern drum beat.